Here's how to resize the mobile view on Shopify. It's quite easy and simple to do, but make sure to watch the full video so you don't miss on any important steps. First, go to your Shopify store and click on the I button. This will display a preview of your site, and once you're viewing your site, click on Edit Homepage. First, go to your Shopify store, then click on the I button. This will display a preview of your site. Once you're viewing your site, click on Edit Homepage, which is located on the bottom right side of the screen. The next window will appear. What we want to look for is the icon that resembles a computer. Click on that icon. And from there, you can select the mobile option. This will then display the mobile view of your page. You can edit the images here. For example, if you have an image banner and are wondering why it doesn't look as pleasing as it could, you likely need to change the image proportions. For instance, if your current image appearance is square, you could just adjust it using an editing software. If you have Photoshop or if you prefer a free alternative like Canva, you can easily do this. Just sign up for Canva if you haven't already, log into Canva and choose to create a design. Instead of selecting one of the suggested sizes, click on Custom Sizes. And in this new design Canva, upload the image you wish to use and save it. And you can now use this optimized image on your mobile view or any web page.